Welcome to Mora IFC. It is what it is. This is the easiest and the fastest way how to draft and cut and stick an Africa map on your senator top or on your bag, wherever you want to put it. It's very, very simple. I'm going to give you the simple way and the easiest and the fastest way to draft an Africa map. And if you want to learn how to sew an invisible zip without using a zipper foot, I'm going to leave the link below. Check it out. Just look at how beautiful this zip has been fixed without a zipper foot. So let's get started. You have to draw like you are drawing a human being's head. You draw a human being's head. Very simple. Just like that. When you do this, you have done 80 or maybe 75 or 80% of the Africa map. Then you just have to make the design go up, then you come below, add a line, just like that. You just play with it. It's very, very simple. Africa map. I will advise you that you draft it on your facing or your stiff. Draft it there, and you cut it, then you put it on your fabric. Or you draft it on a paper like this, then you put it on your fabric, then you cut it, then you go and put it on your facing. Blah blah blah. Each other way that you have to go. You just have to deal with it. It is what it is. So after you just cleaning it up. Don't make it too deep, otherwise you make it too deep, it's kind of hard for you to clean it up. Just make it light, and after that you can deepen it if you want. You just have to cut it. There is no Africa without Madagascar. There is no Africa without Madagascar. So when you draw your Africa map, you make sure you draw your Madagascar as well and add it to it. That will give you a complete Africa map. I've seen certain people that draft, they make Africa map without the Madagascar. Come on guys, add the Madagascar to it to complete the Africa map. So you can see I'm drawing the Madagascar. Like I said, you can draft it on your facing, then you cut it, go and put it on your fabric, or you draft it like this, you put it on your fabric, you cut it, then you go and put it on your facing. It's two ways that you can do it. You can still achieve the same thing. You will achieve the same thing. So I'm just cutting it out. After that, I'm going to put it on my fabric, then I'll cut it, then I'll put it on my facing, then I'll cut it. After it on, like I said, you can draft it on your facing, then you cut it, then you put it on your fabric, then you cut it. Simple, each way. So you can see we're down here. I put it on the fabric, I cut it, and I put it on my facing, and I iron it, and I'm cutting it. See how beautiful the Africa map it is. What it is. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment. Please subscribe. The more you subscribe, motivate me to bring more stuff to you guys. You know, you just have to iron it. This is my Madagascar. Very, very simple. It's like a dropping of tears. So, see how beautiful it is. Very, very simple and beautiful. So let's get to the sewing machine. You have to look at the middle. The middle is very important, otherwise you're gonna shift everything to the left side. It's up to you, but basically if you want to fix something, you have to fix it in the middle so that it becomes very beautiful. If you want to fix it on the right side, it's up to you. On the left side, it's up to you, but mostly you normally fix in the middle so that it becomes very beautiful. You check the middle. I have 8 So if the length if the width is 8, then that's the 4. You can see the line, it passes through the line. That means that's the right spot, you know. So I'm gonna make a cross sewing to hold the middle. You can pin it, but I prefer you sew the middle straight line like that. You cross it again like you are doing plus. So that to hold it down. So after we finish, there will not be any air. It will not bump out, you know. There will not any bulky out, like, you know, some air inside. You can see that it will lay flat on the top. So we're gonna make it in a zigzag. Change it to the zigzag and change the speed. You know, reduce the speed and make it in a zigzag, you know, stage. You can see it have to step on Africa and on the tip of the Africa. You see, you step on the Africa and on the tip of the Africa. That's it. Then you go straight. You just go around it. Take your time, don't speed it up, just take your time and hold it firm, then just go it simple. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment and click on notifications. I'll post videos every Sundays and sometimes on Mondays if I couldn't post on Sundays. So subscribe, like and comment, tell me what you think. You know, it is what it is. Subscribe. The more you subscribe, the more it's motivating if you are new to the channel. I love the Madagascar. Like I said, there's no African map without Madagascar. You do the same thing with that Madagascar. Yep, we're done. See how beautiful it is. So you have to remove the middle one. If you remember the plus that we did in the middle one, just have to, you know, pull in the thread out. If you remember, before we start, we made a plus in the middle, so I'm just taking it out. So if you pin it, you just have to, you know, take the pins out. Thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. Give me a thumbs up, you know, it is what it is. Your photo. Very beautiful, easy. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.